guys, welcome to the part 2 of the Zili campaign hosted by Fireport Finance. So this is how to join the campaign, how to participate, how to do the tasks you have to do in order for you to rank in the leaderboard. Let's start. So you click the link on the video description. My account is already signed in. If it's your first time doing any tax on Zili, you'll be shown a place where you either connect your wallet, MetaMask, any wallet you're using for cryptocurrency. You'll be asked to connect with your Web3 wallet or your Discord. So you can either choose to connect with your Discord account or your wallet, anyone which is easier for you. You can go with that one. So after connecting your wallet, or you signed in or signed up through Discord, you'll be asked for your name, your username. So after inserting all that, and you can start. They say follow us on Medium. So you click the link and they said attach a screenshot as proof that you have followed us. So it's simple. You just click the link. I have Medium app on my phone, so that's why it does immediately open the app. So now I'll press follow. Now I'll screenshot. Okay, with that said, now I'll go here. I'll go back, put the picture here. Click on claim reward. It will be reviewed. So when it's reviewed, I'll be rewarded the corresponding XP, experience point. So the more XP I have, the higher my rank will be. So the second one is subscribing to their YouTube channel. So I believe it should be something like sending them a screenshot. So I'll subscribe, send them a screenshot proof, and that's it. So that's how some of the tags here are. Some tags they will ask you to visit their website, like this one. Some of them they will ask you to make a Twitter thread and post it on Twitter and send them the tweet link. So that's how some tags are. Some of them they'll ask you to like and retweet and comment on their post on Twitter. So you have to do it, and when you do it, you'll be rewarded the corresponding XP, which will enable you to rank higher. So the more XP you have, the higher your rank will be. So that's how the tags are. So any question you have, drop it in the comment section, and also join my WhatsApp group if you haven't yet joined, so you'll be updated if I post a particular project on YouTube. If that project has any updated information, I'll upload it on my WhatsApp group. So it's good you join my WhatsApp group so you be updated on the project which I post here on YouTube. So with that said, see you guys on my next video, and good luck with your ranking.